Hey there, friends. This is Cliff from RVs of Sacramento. Hey, today we're going to look at a brand new model for 2024. This is the Jayco Eagle 29 DDB. So this is a variation of the very popular floor plan that Jayco has made for years, the Jayco Eagle 29.5 BHDS model. This is definitely a price point, value-added model. Does have a lot of features that Jayco is known for, but it's also a price point product, and it's going to be less expensive than the 29.5 BHDS has in the past. So we're going to start at the outside. Right away, we notice this outside storage area with the refrigerator. This has the J-port system, which has the ability to build a outside kitchen area with a arm that comes off and a sink and a griddle as well. The back of the coach here, look at all this storage that you have underneath the bunk beds that were right below here. Of course, this trailer, while stripped down, does have a lot of features. It does have the auto leveling, the 4-point auto leveling system, as well as the Goodyear endurance tires that Jayco is known for putting on their trailers. Of course, you do have the stairs that flip up into the unit for easy storage. We have our large pass-through basement storage here. There's our solar controller. So this unit is equipped with Overlander Solar 1, which is the one panel and the 30 amp solar controller. Moving around to the front, I like the new look here that they've done with the front nose cap. And again, this does have the 4-point auto leveling. Your non-door side has your slide, which when we go inside, we'll show you what that is. Love this control panel here. Very user-friendly, very straightforward. If you're dry camping, it shows you how to turn the color-coded knobs. And if you're city water, or if you're doing sanitizing or tank fill, this is your 3.0 ground control system, your Lippert. This is your tankless water heater outside area here. Really like this new look. It's very fresh on these Eagles. Again, the storage, roof ladder. You have the accessory receiver as well below. We're going to go ahead and take a look inside here. This is definitely a nice open layout floor plan. So this is the interior of the 29 DDB. So again, this is just 34 feet 7 inches long, just under 11,000 pounds fully loaded, probably be less than that. The highlight really here is this rear bunk area. You have a step up. Of course, you have drawers right there. Nice drawers there. Mirror, and then the large bunk bed area. So this unit will sleep 8 to 10. You can see why. Huge bunks. Looking around here at the refrigerator, this is a 12-volt refrigerator. It is powered, if you're dry camping, by your solar system and your battery. And that's the 12-volt refrigerators have really come a long way over the years. Very efficient way to keep your refrigerator cold. Large U-shaped dinette in the living area here. That can be converted into a bed as well. But this is a place where the whole family can sit and have their meals or play board games. Swinging around, we outfitted this with the theater seating. This is very, very popular. Folks want to sit and watch TV or visit with friends at the dinette. Of course, you have the center console that flips up and cup holders. And these chairs do recline. Very comfortable. Looking around at our kitchen here, nice L-shaped kitchen. We've got a deep sink with a gooseneck faucet. Lots of cabinets up here. And counter space too. Looking at our stovetop and our oven as well. Again, you have cabinets and drawers pretty much everywhere you look. Over here, more cabinets and drawers. Of course, counter space, I just can't say enough about this. And of course, over top, you have additional cabinets up top as well. The TV and your entertainment system, of course, features a smart TV. It can be used to stream TVs and movies, TV shows and movies, and your sound bar. Lots of windows on this too. Heading upstairs, we're gonna go up the top here. I like that they have gone back to these old toggle switch control knobs on your control panel. A lot of people prefer this. It definitely easier to use. Stepping inside the bedroom, one of the biggest areas that's a variation from the 29.5 VHDS is there's no longer the wardrobe slide. Typically with the wardrobe slide on the smaller fifth wheels, where your cabinets are here, this is a pass-through to the bathroom. But with this, they're able to keep the weight down and also the price as well. But you can still see this is a very roomy bedroom. Lots of bedside space for CPAPs or books or tablets or phones. You have electrical outlets at each bedside there. Of course, you could mount a additional TV in the bedroom. Coat hooks. Stepping into the bathroom just to kind of round out our tour, you have a good sized shower with a skylight, decorative backsplash there. Definitely room here. I love this wood look they've done here in the bathroom and also in the living room area. Opening up the cabinet here, that's a pass-through to the bedroom. In fact, we'll walk over there and take a look at that. But look at all that space you have for clothes, towels, just